So first up, let's get you the controversy over the Ambedkar portrait that has now snowballed after the Aam Aadmi Party claimed that the portrait has been removed in the CM's office or in her cabin. And now the BJP has making the allegation saying that the photo was near Atishi's feet, the former chief minister's feet, and BJP saying that it is not the BJP but the Aam Aadmi Party which has insulted Babasaheb Ambedkar. Now, over when it comes to Ambedkar slogans that were also raised in the Delhi Assembly today, that all of the Aam Aadmi Party MLAs had to be marshalled out and they have been suspended for the day. This is the clash over Ambedkar's portrait, right after the Aam Aadmi Party first claimed that the portrait of Shahid Bhagat Singh and B.R. Ambedkar has been removed from the CM's office. However, the BJP is saying that it is not the BJP, it is the Aam Aadmi Party which has now insulted B.R. Ambedkar, and that is the picture that is now being shared on part of BJP's Amit Malviya on social media, saying that this is the respect that the Aam Aadmi Party claimed to be given to B.R. Ambedkar when it comes to the icon's picture that has now been placed near the feet of the former Delhi Chief Minister. This is the respect that the Aam Aadmi Party has for the icon on their mind, and this is how they say that this is the true face of the Aam Aadmi Party that has now been exposed. So this is BJP's Amit Malviya saying and calling the actions of the Aam Aadmi Party and the MLAs, because right after being suspended for the day, they decided to hold a protest outside the assembly, and now it is being said that as part of the leader of opposition in the Delhi Assembly, we are looking at insult to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Let's get in a word from Mohit now. Well, Mohit, it is all about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who respects and who insults. This is the Aam Aadmi Party versus the BJP face-off intensifying.
Well, yes, Amita. In fact, Aam Aadmi Party, when the LG was addressing the House, they raised slogans saying that the portrait of Bhimrao Ambedkar, Babasaheb Ambedkar and Bhagat Singh were removed from the office of the Chief Minister of Delhi, and they protested yesterday. Today also, they took out a march inside the Assembly premises. They sat near the Ambedkar statue, which is in the front lawn of the Assembly, and now we see that how the BJP IT cell head Amit Malviya has put out a picture in which the picture of Babasaheb Ambedkar is near the feet of Atishi, the LOP, and he's saying that in fact it's the Aam Aadmi Party that has insulted the legacy of Babasaheb Ambedkar. To talk to us more on that, we have senior BJP MLA Ajay Mahawar. अजय, जिस प्रकार से आज हमने देखा सीन हुए, एलजी जब अपना भाषण दे रहे थे, उसके बाद आम आदमी पार्टी के नेता सदन में काफी जो है हंगामा किया. उन्होंने कहा कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने बाबा साहेब का अपमान किया. उसके बाद वो यहाँ पे बैठे स्टैचू के पास, लेकिन अब बीजेपी के जो अमित मालवीय आईटी सेल हेड, उन्होंने पिक्चर डाली है. कहा है कि आतिशी जब कह रही है कि बाबा साहब का अम्बेडकर बीजेपी ने किया है, तो बाबा साहब की जो फोटो लेके जो प्रोटेस्ट कर रही थी वो उनके पैर के पास रखी है. यही है आम आदमी पार्टी का चरित्र, बीजेपी ये कह रही है. क्या कहेंगे?
हाँ, निश्चित रूप से अमित मालवीय जी ने ठीक लिखा है. आम आदमी पार्टी बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर की तस्वीर के पीछे छुपकर अगर भ्रष्टाचार करना चाहे, भगत सिंह जी की तस्वीर के पीछे छुपकर भ्रष्टाचार करना चाहे, तो दिल्ली और देश ये सहेगा नहीं. आपने उनके मूल्यों पर कभी चलने का प्रयास किया क्या? बाबा साहब और भगत सिंह जी के मूल्यों पर तो ये चले नहीं. आप मुझे बताइए, आज भी जम्मू कश्मीर में इनका एक एमएलए है और वो जम्मू कश्मीर की सरकार में शामिल है, इंडी गठबंधन में. जम्मू कश्मीर में दलितों को, जिनकी लड़ाई बाबा साहब लड़ते रहे, 70 साल में वोटिंग राइट था क्या?
देखिए सर, अगर हम आपके दिल्ली स्पेसिफिक की बात करें, तो आपको लगता है कहीं ना कहीं जो कैग रिपोर्ट आज टेबल हुई है, उसी को लेके एक तरह से ये आपको लगता है, क्योंकि बीजेपी का नेता प्री प्लान था कि पहले धरना देंगे और रकस किया जाएगा असेंबली के अंदर?
देखिए, सीएजी रिपोर्ट तो इन्हें पहले ही पेश करनी चाहिए थी. अब ये फिर बाबा साहब की बात करेंगे. बाबा साहब ने तो लोकतंत्र मूल्यों की रक्षा के लिए सीएजी रिपोर्ट को भी टेबल करना सिखाया था. सभी स्टेट करते हैं, ये तो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में आता है. आज आतिशी जी ने बड़ा हल्का सा बयान दे दिया. ये तो
सामान्य प्रक्रिया है. तो कॉन्वर्सेशन गोइंग, लेट्स कनेक्ट विद बीजेपी. आरपी सिंह जी भी हमारे साथ फोन लाइन पे जुड़ गए. आरपी सिंह जी, बीआर अंबेडकर को लेकर हम देख रहे हैं जिस तरह से राजनीतिकरण किया जा रहा है आम आदमी पार्टी की तरफ से. अब उनके फोटो को लेकर, चाहे दफ्तर में हो चाहे अतिशी के पैरों के पास हो, बड़े आरोप लगाए जा रहे हैं बीजेपी की तरफ से.
वैसे तो संविधान की बात करते हैं, वैसे बाबा साहब की बात करते हैं, बाबा साहब जी की बात करते हैं. संविधान के पर इन्होंने पिछले आचरण में क्या की रिपोर्ट सदन में सदन रखी है.
RP Singh ji, we couldn't hear you clearly, sir. We will just reconnect that line with you. But Mohit, as you were speaking to the leaders from the BJP side as well, of course, the contentious issue of the CAG report being tabled. But right now, the allegation that has now been leveled on part of the Aam Aadmi Party previously saying that the portraits of Shahid Bhagat Singh and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar have been removed. However, the BJP came out with a clarification saying that it was not been removed. It has been placed in another wall, and that is the reasoning that the BJP is now sharing as far as from the CM's office is now concerned. This is how the BJP on its part has now hit back.
Well, in fact, Amitabh, first of all, I'd like to show you some scenes over here that how exactly Kapil Mishra is holding Kapil Mishra is holding the picture of the CAB report on the performance audit on regulation and supply of liquor in Delhi. So Kapil Mishra is walking with this. It's a message from the BJP. Kapil, क्या message देना चाह रहे हैं आप ये ले जाके? So he's not speaking to the media. He says that he's just walking towards the gate of the assembly, and that is the picture of the CAG report that was being tabled inside the assembly today. And that's a message. That's the message by the BJP. That's the message by the BJP, Amita, over here, that you can protest as much as you can, but the reality would be out. BJP has been saying
are
this,
there any
that
Aam Aadmi Party leaders today, because they have been
was
suspended for the day? Are they still protesting?
Yes. Well, as of now, Amita, I'll just show you the scenes around here. The statue of Baba Sahib Ambedkar, where the Aam Aadmi Party leaders were protesting. It's clear now the Aam Aadmi Party leaders are not protesting over here. That was the place from where the Aam Aadmi Party leaders, including LOP Atishi and all the MLAs who were suspended. And in fact, all the MLAs of the Aam Aadmi Party have been suspended for the day. So many of them have left the premises, but nobody as of now is here. So it was a massive showdown, Amita, over the legacy of Baba Sahib Ambedkar. The BJP has been saying that the Aam Aadmi Party, because the CAG report is to be tabled today in the assembly, was to be tabled in the assembly today. That is why the Aam Aadmi Party created ruckus to divert the attention. But the Aam Aadmi Party says that yesterday the Baba Sahib Ambedkar was insulted because his and Bhagat Singh's portrait were removed from the CM office. And then in the evening we saw that how exactly BJP came out with the picture saying that the Aam Aadmi Party is making false allegations. The pictures of Baba Sahib Ambedkar and Bhagat Singh are very much there in the office of the Chief Minister. And now we saw that how exactly BJP now is putting out pictures where the photo of Baba Sahib is near Atishi's feet when she was protesting here at the Ambedkar statue, which we just showed to our viewers. So massive politics over it, but the reality, Amita,
so
over
slogans
here
that were
is
raised, and when it comes to constant interruption of the LG's address, that could be seen and heard while he was speaking in the assembly today, and all part of the Aam Aadmi Party leaders and MLAs, one by one, as they were marshalled out, they were raising the slogans of B.R. Ambedkar being insulted by the BJP. Let's listen in to the former Delhi Chief Minister and also the other APA MLAs who then started to protest outside the assembly.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने सरकार बनाते ही दिल्ली सचिवालय के मुख्यमंत्री कार्यालय से, दिल्ली विधानसभा के मुख्यमंत्री कार्यालय से, सभी मंत्रियों के कार्यालय से बाबा साहब भीमराव अंबेडकर की ये तस्वीर हटाकर उसकी जगह नरेंद्र मोदी जी की तस्वीर लगा दी। क्या भारतीय जनता पार्टी को ये लगता है कि बाबा साहब भीमराव अंबेडकर से बड़े हैं प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी? आज जब हमने बाबा साहब भीमराव अंबेडकर जी के नाम के नारे लगाए तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी के स्पीकर साहब ने हमें उठा के बाहर फेंक दिया, लेकिन जब भारतीय जनता पार्टी के विधायकों ने मोदी जी के नारे लगाए तो किसी को बाहर नहीं किया गया। इसका क्या मतलब है? भारतीय जनता पार्टी को बाबा साहब की तस्वीर से नफरत है।
The insult to B.R. Ambedkar's legacy seems to be the talking point as far as the face-off intensifies between the ruling BJP and the opposition Aam Aadmi Party. With that, we head into a short break.